In this video, you are going to see how to increase the thickness of font in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here I have the normal text. I want to change the thickness. Just select it. Go to the font group. You can change the font from here. Let me choose this font, Arial. And select the text. Click on right button. Go to font. And increase the bold from here. Click on bold, and here you will see the preview. You can change the size. Let me choose 72 points, and you can change the font color from here. Let me select this color and click on OK, and you will see I have changed the thickness of the font. You can choose another bold font from here, and you can increase or decrease its size from here. If you want to change the font color, select it and change the color over here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.